So hey everyone, welcome to the course, and today we will be doing background. Okay, like you might have seen on the website that there is a background image and most of the time we use that. For example, let's suppose that we are creating a banner on the home page. So for that, in the background we need to apply some image. So let's see how that particular thing works. So first of all, I am just gonna have my snippet. And let's close this just to show you that I have already downloaded one picture, right? So you can have that image also. So in here, I'm just gonna give some heading like, let's see, background image. Okay. So how will you apply that thing? So this particular thing, I am gonna put it like this only, and this I am going to have one div. So this div will have some kind of h2, and hi, here is background. Okay, so you can even go with h3 here. So to this div, I want to have background image. So how will I apply that thing? So first of all, I'm using internal CSS. So let's go with the div, and in here I want to put background image. So for that, put a background image. Okay, and you have to put a URL. In this URL, you are going to have your image. So people, just copy the name from here and paste it over here. Okay, done. So now let's go back and see, open it with the live server. So you can see something is there, but it is too small. So now let's increase the height. Let's set the height. Height should be 400 pixel, and yeah. So as you can see that the image is there, but this particular image is repeating. Okay. So for that thing, you need to put a property called background repeat, no repeat, because by default its position, its value is repeat. So I need to put a background repeat, no repeat. It's done. So now let's have a background image, background color also if you want, or let it be. See what is happening here, that right now the image is here, but I want to change the position of the image. So what I will do, I will say background position, let's suppose it's 250 pixel and 250 pixel. What does this mean? I'm just showing you. See, 250 pixel means I want to move it from left 250 pixel and top 250 pixel from its position. Okay, so if you will see 250 over here, or let's suppose I'm writing 500 over here, see the position is shifting, but it is taking 500 from all the sides. So it's better to put 0 pixel here. See, so the image is here. Now if you want, you can increase the height by 250 so that you can see the legs also. 550. Yeah, so now you can see this thing. This is basically the bigger one. So if you want to have a shorter image, you can go with. So this was your background position, but I want to change this particular thing. So let's go with background image without background. Okay, let's go with this one. Show more. Let's do it. It's fine with this only. So now we'll look for another property, which is background attachment. It's not here. but yeah, now it's there. So its value is fixed for now. Okay, I fixed the value. That means the image will going to stick at the place even if I am scrolling down my website. How? See, I am going to put a lot of content over here like paragraph and lorem. Okay. Similarly, I am going to repeat this thing few times because I really want to show you. Or you can do by 100. Okay, no, not like this. Actually, the tag gets multiplied. Okay, I think it's enough, and let's refresh it. You can see that there is some content, but let's put some of the content inside the div and some of the content on the top of the div. So it's here. Now you can see that, but you have to scroll the content, but you'll see that the image is fixed. So this is how you can fix the image. So if you are writing the content inside your div to which you have applied the background image, then the background image will be there, but the content will be on it. Okay. And when you will scroll down and other content will come, it is going to stay at its position. Okay. So similarly goes with up. See, its position is fixed, but the things are moving with the content. So I hope you have seen this. You got this. So let me just remove this thing from here. And what about background? So you have already given that thing, no? So let's suppose you have background position 100% or 80%, and here it is 250. So what do you think? See, that means this background is going to be, this image is going to be 100%, but it is going to be 250 pixel from the top. Okay, so it's the top value I have given it. If you'll see, if I'm writing right over here, so this image will stay in the right. If you want to put it on the left, you will say left. So this image is going to, okay, so by default it's in left. Okay, so if you will say at the top, let's see, so it is at the top, but its default position is this only, now we just want to move it. If you will say 500 pixel, see, it is 500 pixel from the above. Okay, I hope you have understood the background properties clearly. Thank you so much everyone, and do not forget to complete your assignments. Thank you.